Here we find the blackbird chasing the whitebird. There he goes. The blackbird is just stalking him. Thomas, what do you have to say about that?
I feel like kind of racist, Ricky.
You feel that's kind of racist? How is that racist?
Because I feel that blackbird is stalking that whitebird.
Well, look, they're joining together now. Oh, are they fighting? They're going.
I feel the blackbird is making the whitebird.
His what? Do you think they're fighting?
I think they are.
Dude, Thomas, how much did you eat, dude? Look how much. Look at that. Wow. That's nothing. This is barbecue. That's all from you. Here we find our South Island gals. There's an Asian family. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, look at the badass food. And there's Wiener Schnitzel, the worst place ever to eat because it's expensive.
Now, blackbird.
It's gorgeous. Look at that blackbird. It is just going all out on that way. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another one. Oh, wow. They're ganging up on them. They don't play no games here. Well, alright. We'll see you guys next time. Thomas?
See you guys next time.
Who else but Clyde, mother?
He's quiet. He's quiet.
Let's have that.